Welcome to another How to Bake, and today we are going to bake multigrain breads made of wholemeal flour. It's a very healthy and nutritious bread with seeds inside and on top. Let's start with the ingredients. Wholemeal flour, water, dry yeast, salt, sugar, a little bit of butter and a mix of seeds. Take your water and make sure it's around 20 degrees Celsius and then soak your seeds in it for around 15 minutes. Add your flour and dry yeast into a bowl and mix this. You don't have to do this when you are using fresh yeast. This way the yeast will be well divided and activated. Start mixing slow for around 4 minutes. Everything should be well mixed. Then mix fast for around 6 minutes. Your dough should be extensible and well developed. Make sure the dough temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius. You should be able to look through the dough. Take a bowl like this and put some oil in it. Shape your dough round and cover it up. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Now it's time to divide the dough into 2 pieces of 385 grams each. Now shape the dough into a pill. Cover them up and let them rest for another 30 minutes. Now we are going to shape our dough into breads. Flatten your dough and shape them the way I do. I am using my small bread tins. Don't forget to grease them with some oil. Use a wet cloth to attach your seeds to the dough. I am using my box to let the breads proof and use some warm water inside to create moist and heat. Let them proof for around 1 hour. Baking bread takes time, but it's all worth it. And now we wait. When they have reached a volume like this, then they are ready to bake. Use some water to create steam. This will result in a better looking bread. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.